Have you ever wondered if a robot could manage your money better than you? It sounds like science fiction, but today we're diving deep into the world of AI wealth advisors. Is your financial future already being automated? Let's find out if an algorithm can truly understand your life goals and build your wealth, or if we're handing over too much control. First up, what exactly is an AI wealth advisor? Or as you've probably heard, a robo-advisor. Forget the image of a clunky robot counting coins. These are sophisticated digital platforms that use algorithms to build and manage a personalized investment portfolio for you. Think of services like Betterment, Wealthfront, or Fidelity Go. Their biggest promise is the set it and forget it approach. You answer a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, deposit your money, and the AI takes over. It automatically invests for you, rebalances your portfolio when it drifts. It can even use strategies like tax loss harvesting to save you money. It's like having a personal portfolio manager, but one that fits in your pocket and is available 24/7. This isn't just hype. Millions of people are already using these platforms to grow their wealth, proving that the robot revolution in finance is already here. So, what's the big advantage of using AI? For starters, AI is the ultimate unbiased investor. We humans are emotional creatures. When the market dips, our first instinct might be to panic sell. When a new hot stock is all over the news, we get FOMO and might chase fads. An AI doesn't have emotions. It sticks to the long-term strategy it created for you, based on logic and data, not fear or greed. This algorithmic precision can be a powerful shield against making costly emotional mistakes. Another huge win is cost and accessibility. Traditionally, getting professional financial advice was expensive and reserved for the wealthy. Robo-advisors have shattered that barrier. With much lower fees and smaller minimum investment requirements, they've democratized access to sophisticated portfolio management for literally everyone. And let's talk about personalization. An AI can analyze thousands of data points about the market and your personal financial situation to craft a strategy that's uniquely tailored to you. It's hyper-personalization at a scale that would be impossible for a single human advisor to achieve for every client. But before you hand over your life savings to an algorithm, let's talk about where human advisors still have a massive edge. A major life event like a marriage, a divorce, receiving a large inheritance, or starting a business brings a level of complexity that a simple questionnaire can't capture. These situations require a deep, nuanced conversation, and that's where a human touch is invaluable. Human advisors excel at complex, holistic financial planning. We're talking about estate planning to ensure your legacy, advanced tax strategies that go beyond basic harvesting, or navigating the intricate finances of a family-owned business. These are areas where creativity and a comprehensive understanding of your entire life are crucial. Most importantly, there's the irreplaceable value of trust and psychological comfort. During a terrifying market crash, having a calm, experienced human advisor to talk to, someone who can reassure you and keep you focused on the long-term plan, can be the most valuable asset you have. That human connection in times of uncertainty is something an AI simply cannot replicate. Now, let's look at the other side of the coin, the risks and limitations of AI advisors. The double-edged sword, first and foremost, are security and data privacy. You're entrusting these platforms with your most sensitive financial information. While they have robust security, the risk of data breaches is always a concern. You need to be sure the platform you choose is a fortress. Then there's the inherent lack of true intuition and empathy. An AI can understand your emotional distress about money, or read between the lines of your stated goals to understand what you really want out of life. It operates on the data you give it, and nothing more. Finally, there's the risk of algorithmic bias. These systems are programmed by humans, and they can have blind spots. In a truly unprecedented market event, it's a so-called black swan event that nobody saw coming. An AI's programming might fall short because it has no historical data for such a scenario. It can't think outside its own box, which could be a critical flaw when the unexpected happens. So, the big question. Should your financial future be in the hands of an AI or a human? The answer for most people isn't one or the other. It's both. The future is a hybrid model, combining the best of both worlds. You can use a robo-advisor for its low cost, its automated investing power for your long-term goals. while also consulting a human financial planner for major life decisions, complex tax planning, and estate advice. It's about using the right tool for the right job. How do you know what's right for you? Let's do a quick mental quiz. Are you just starting out, have a straightforward financial situation, and are comfortable with a hands-off digital experience? An AI advisor might be a perfect fit. Are you dealing with multiple income streams, a business, complex family dynamics, or simply value having a personal relationship and a guide for life's big moments? A human advisor or a hybrid approach is likely your best bet. The key is to assess your own needs, your comfort level with technology, and the complexity of your financial life. Looking ahead, the landscape of financial advice is only going to get more interesting. AI won't just be for robo-advisors. It will become a powerful tool that supercharges human advisors, allowing them to analyze data more efficiently and spend more time on the high-value, human-centric parts of their job. Imagine an advisor armed with an AI that can spot opportunities and risks in your portfolio in real time, freeing them up to have deeper, more meaningful conversations with you about your goals. This fusion of artificial intelligence and human empathy is the real future of wealth management. It's not a battle of man versus machine, but a partnership. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand the future of your finances, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that demystifies money. See you next time.